Tripura has a drug problem, and this drug problem affects the indigenous people the most. The government has come up with a policy called Nasha Mukt Tripura. But till the time we do not stop the same politicians who say Nasha Mukt Tripura and also promote drugs, Tripura will never be drug free. We are a border state and our borders are porous. And till the time we want our future generation to be stronger than the present one, our mind has to be clear, our heart has to be larger than life, and our vision for a new Tripura has to be without drugs. Drugs have destroyed many societies and continues to destroy our society as well. People who pray, people who understand the devastation of drugs, have to realize one thing, that the first people who get affected when someone's son or daughter becomes a drug addict is not anyone but the own family. I've seen families being destroyed because people became addicts. I've seen the pain in the eyes of a mother and the disappointment in the eyes of a father when he sees his children become drug addicts. Addiction is a problem, and it is our job to ensure that how do we counter this. And I'm very glad that ABC has started this. I'm very glad because there were many obstacles, we faced many challenges, but I must thank EM Gauriya. I must thank other EMs including Kamal Paloy, my CEM, Purlo Chandra Javakia. I have to thank Ganesh Deparma, who is a local area NDC, who have risen beyond their own interest so that we can create a rehabilitation center for our children. I would also request my CEO, my CEM, the ministers, EMs concerned, how we can make this place, how we can beautify this place, how we can look after the children. And I also request, and I would like to thank our armed forces who are here, how you also through your CSR can help us. अगर स्वस्थ हिंदुस्तान को बनना है, उससे पहले हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को बचाना है. और ये जो ड्रग्स का जो व्यापार है, ये आपसे ज्यादा अच्छा कौन जानता है? आप तो सीमा में, और आप जानते हैं कि अगर हमें नशा मुक्त त्रिपुरा को रोकना है, अगर नशा मुक्त त्रिपुरा को सच में साकार करना है, तब बॉर्डर से जो लोग ड्रग्स लेकर आ रहे हैं, हाँ पॉलिटिकल बैकिंग है उनका, बड़े अमीर लोग भी हैं उसमें, लेकिन अगर देश को बचाना है तो इसको रोकना. This is become a business, and it is our business to stop their business, because these people will destroy our next generation. I request sisters here, I request people from NGOs, I request EMs, I request the media. Media has a big role. The real role of media is to present the real picture. And drugs is affecting our society. And surely I would hope that this place will become even better. Personally, I think I would like to come once this place becomes fully operational. I would like to see the teachers, I would like to see the doctors, I would like to see the consultants, I would like to see a lovely open green area here. And I'm very happy. I've seen the quality of work, looks very nice. I think this place required a woman's touch, and I think the woman's touch has come. I'm very happy. Genuinely, I think today is Khachi Puja. It's a Khachi festival, and I think what you've done is a gift for all of us. Seriously, I'm very happy. Thank you very much, and I hope this case one day will no longer be required in Tripura because we'll have no products. And I hope we have